Today we're at Chandler Worley Family Farms. Here's Chandler Worley. On the big red tractor.
Started them in the greenhouse, and we're trying to get the jump on everybody on squash. And then once the cold weather got over, we moved them outside. So what we're hoping is to maybe put a few little squashes. I thought we had one there. That's the zucchini right there. See him right there? I believe that's the zucchini. So we'll have that on the internet. The greenhouse, we've kind of down in here right now, but this is what we're going to eventually be growing on. This is a hydroponic lettuce system. And once we get this thing up and running, this little setup right here can produce 72 heads of lettuce a week. Now, I mean, you know, if we'd had that running this winter, and I mean, it would be consistent. 72 heads a week, click, 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 click. And we feel like, you know, with the market y'all got down there, we could move 72 heads a week on this little footprint right here. That's, of course, that's our Russian kale, and we've kind of got it cut back a little bit. Those are from Berkeley cucumbers. They got to go in the field. This is our watermelon plant. We got about 2 or 3 kinds of seedless watermelon.